CirrusPrint is designed to manage and streamline printing and document delivery across networks. It solves cloud migration problems related to printing, and provides the most direct and immediate method to deliver documents to your users. Traditional printing methods work well, plus new capabilities. You can send documents to users' desktops, email your printers, send documents to or from mobile devices, or to printers or devices across the country, or around the world. This video is meant to instruct you in downloading, setup, and configuration of CirrusPrint for a Windows environment. Go to ghostscript.com. Then select Download. You can choose either 32 or 64-bit depending on the system you are running. Save to your computer. To download the CirrusPrint server, go to cirrusprint.com. Select Support and then Download. Under Operating System, select Windows 2008 and up, to start the download. To install GhostScript, right mouse click and select Run as Administrator. On the desktop, right mouse click and select Run as Administrator to install the CirrusPrint server application. Using the new icon, double-click to open the CirrusPrint server. Open the Center tab, Configure Ports. At the bottom, click on the Get Admin Password button. This will create a random password and save it to the clipboard. Now start the server. To confirm, click the Status tab. Now click on the Browser Interface button. In the User ID field, type admin. Paste in the saved random password. Now log in. Select Site Users. Admin. Now change the password to one of your choosing. Click Show Me to review the change. And save. Now log in with your new password. Go to Companies. To the right, Add. Here enter a company ID. And save. On the left, under Demo, select Location/Users. Then, Add. Here you add a location. You can describe the location. Now add a password, and confirm. Save. Now we need to open an inbound port to allow CirrusPrint to communicate. Go to Control Panel and select Windows Firewall. On the left side, click Advanced Settings, select Inbound Rules. New rule. Port. Enter 8483. Under Name, enter CirrusPrint. Now you should see CirrusPrint. We need to know the IP address of this computer/server. In the Systems tray, right-click on the network icon and select Open Network and Internet Settings. Next, click on Change Network Properties. Look for the IPv4 address, write down the number. Now open a new browser tab. Enter https:// your IP address, :8483. Because we are doing a self-signed certificate, click Advanced, then at the bottom click Proceed. To set up the client, select Windows Download, then Save. Install by right-clicking and then select Run as Administrator. Again, right-click and Run as Administrator. Click Configuration. Enter https:// your IP address, :8483. Enter the location ID, the @ and the company. Enter your location password. Confirm password. Click Test. Save config. Start client. And status. Reopen the browser. From Status, select the Connection tab. Here you can confirm the connection. Here output devices can be set up. On the right side, click Add. Here we'll be setting up a printer for the Denver location. From the list of devices available to this computer, select the desired printer. Now name the printer. You will need to know what types of output your printer supports. The manufacturer will have that information. If your printer does not support any of the formats, click Remote Print Driver. Now save. Now let's add an input source. Here name the source with the name of the printer _port. Network port is configured so that CirrusPrint server passes jobs as would a network server. Now save. Saving auto assigns a port, in this case port 9200. Reopen the source and click the Target tab. Now select the device to print to, and save. Click Testing. Select a document from the list, and an input source, then submit. We can check to see if documents have been delivered to the printer by opening the Jobs tab. We can see all the information about the delivered documents, such as the date received, delivered, and the target device. Thank you for setting up CirrusPrint on your Windows server. Versions of CirrusPrint can also be downloaded for both Linux and Unix. To learn more about the capabilities of CirrusPrint and other Synergetic Data Systems Incorporated solutions, contact sales, email, sales@synergetic-data.com, phone, 800-446-7374.